Imagine traveling back in time 4,500 years. If you needed to use the bathroom in almost any other part of the ancient world, you were frantically looking for a large leaf and a quiet bush. But if you lived in the Indus Valley civilization in ancient India, you had indoor plumbing. Long before the Romans built their famous aqueducts, the ancient Indians were engineering cities that would make a modern urban planner jealous. In megacities like Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, almost every single house was built with a dedicated bathing room and a brick-built flush toilet. Here is how brilliant it was. You would sit on a comfortable, custom-built brick seat. When you were done, you simply poured a pot of water down the basin. The waste was flushed through perfectly fitted terracotta pipes, exiting the house and flowing directly into a massive, city-wide underground sewer system. This wasn't just a basic ditch either. The ancient Indians prioritized elemental purity and public health on a massive scale. Their sewer network was entirely covered with tightly fitted bricks to trap smells and prevent disease. They even engineered specialized manholes so sanitation workers could regularly access and clean the system. It was an absolute masterpiece of highly functional, minimalist architecture. To put this level of genius into perspective, thousands of years after the Indus Valley civilization fell, medieval European kings were still tossing buckets of human waste out of their castle windows directly into the streets. Meanwhile, the ancient Indians had figured out completely offline, localized waste management systems that kept their environment spotless. So next time you flush, give a little nod to the ancient Indian engineers who figured it out first. Hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing history.